Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video will cover how to gel stain wood and how to use paint and baby wipes to stain wood. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I got this gel stain in mahogany from Michaels. I'll put a link in the description box below. I highly encourage you to protect any surface that you're working on so you don't get the gel stain on anything else. When getting started, I put on a glove because I didn't want to get any stain on my hands when wiping the gel stain off. When applying the stain, I used a foam brush and I let it sit for 30 seconds. Don't worry about having streaks or darker spots when applying the gel stain. You'll see when I wipe the stain off that it doesn't matter. Since I started on the left side of the wood, this is where I'll start wiping it off. I used paper towels, and since I have gloves on, I can use all of the paper towel when wiping it off. You can see that the stain soaked into the wood, and those darker spots where the stain was thicker didn't affect the color at all. If you do want a darker color, you can reapply the stain and repeat the staining process until you get to the color you want. Once you achieve the color desired, you can set it aside and allow it to dry. I personally wait 24 hours before I attach any vinyl or paint anything on the gel stained wood. The second method I use is the baby wipe method. I use this when I'm going for more of a rustic look because it doesn't give you full coverage. For this, I'm using a foam brush and applying brown paint to this wooden star. You can also use any other color that you'd like. I encourage a glove if you have one because this can get very messy very quickly. Once I have the paint on the star, I take a baby wipe and start wiping the paint away while rubbing the paint into the wood at the same time. You can already see that while wiping the paint away that it's staying darker in some areas than others. That's okay, it'll look way better when it's dry. Since you're using a baby wipe for this, you are adding moisture to the wood, so it's important that you let it dry thoroughly before you do anything else to it, like add vinyl. If you add vinyl too soon, it won't stick and you'll end up wasting vinyl. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video.